All right, so Disney is at $168.17 with a market cap of 305.10 billion. And we've had some ups and downs recently. I guess there's been a lot of news for Disney, and it hasn't been good. And this kind of sucks for me because I threw in a few thousand at the $175 range, so I'm hoping it goes back up real soon. But here's why Disney has been dropping. So, on Disneyland's Jungle Cruise ride, visitors sail past Trader Sam, an animatronic salesman who offers to exchange two of his shrunken heads for one of yours. Nearby, spear wielding African headhunters plan to ambush a threat, underscored by piles of human skulls dotting the landscape. 66 years after the riverboat attraction first debuted, Disney has announced plans to overhaul what critics describe as the ride's racist depiction of indigenous people. So yeah, if you do some Google searching on this, people are calling Disney racist due to this ride. And yeah, they are going to address this real fast. They don't want to be called that. They'll overhaul whatever they need to do because Disney's a solid company. They're family friendly. They don't want people feeling that way, and it's an old ride. So I never knew about this, so it's very interesting. So I'm not going to comment a whole lot on it. I just want you to be aware that this is the bad news that Disney has been receiving recently. And then on the flip side of this, Disney has also canceled dozens of cruises for January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. So nothing but bad news for Disney right now, and that's why we've had this drastic drop. We hit 163, went up, then back down. We're in the 160. We should not be in the 160 range. So I'm hoping they get this addressed soon, get this fixed, and things go back to normal for Disney. So just wanted you to be aware. Stay on top of this. Do your own research. Have some fun. Make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.